Hey Jan, hey Dion, it's Fatih here. We met at the AI Tinker Ramen event that you guys hosted on 25th March, and I really enjoyed the evening and had a very good feeling from both of you, and from the LA team in general. Very open, curious, relaxed, and hands-on. I really love that. Instead of sending only a CV, I thought a short video would give you a better feeling of how I think, what I like building, and what kind of technical problems I like working on. I will keep this around 5 minutes. The project that I want to show is a local browser agent, IP, Oldenburg University's student platform, and the idea is simple. Every week, I go to each course page and check the announcements that needs my attention, or I might check the next week's lecture materials. Instead of me manually going through that, or I might be curious about what people are offering on the notice board, or the messages that I'm getting. I can just give the agent a task in natural language and let it work through the platform for me. And the impressive thing is not it can click around, but it can read, reason, decide what matters, take actions, and give me a useful result. It's like a lightweight assistant within the platform that works for me 24/7. I want to start the demo by giving the Note Support agent a task. So I've been recently looking for a sofa for my room, and I'm curious about if there's actually any listings on the platform. And I have this T-shirt that I want to sell for 10 euros with some descriptions. And those are the two tasks that I described here. And I will start the sessions just like that. It has already my authenticated session, so it doesn't need me to actually log in once again. So that's good. And we will see the browser actions here and the reasoning and tool traces here of the model. And while that's doing that, I want to actually give an overview of the app. So under the hood, the browser control comes from the agent browser. Agent browser gives the agent terminal native level browser actions like snapshots, navigation clicks, form fills, JavaScript evaluations, and saving this authenticated state. And I have the agent architecture here, the agent SDK, Flue. I really like Flue because Flue is like Cloud Code but programmable. It's an headless agent harness in TypeScript that allows you to control sessions, skills, type tools, structure outputs, and the local sandbox access. So the main agent architecture lives here at .flue folder. Here we define the agent itself, the model, connect the model, skills, roles, tools, and the output schema. And I thought about the system in three roles, in three parts: skills, roles, and tools. And skills say what process to follow, and role says how to behave while doing that, and tools say what actions are available. For example, the notice board skill tells the agent how to approach notice board tasks. Notice board operator roles tells the agent how to behave like a careful local browser operator. And we have the tools that expose tools like listing entries, creating listing, or bookmarking, which actually the agent is currently using. And the agent decides what should happen, and we have the tools that exposes those actions to the agent, and we have the scripts that execute the known low-level steps reliably. Apart from the notice board agent, I also have the degree agent, which allows me to give tasks like prepare me for the next week lectures sessions. So as it seems like the agent has been done, this actually is interesting because it used less tokens than usual that I just now observing. But that's not the point. Let's actually what it did. So it bookmarked 3 software listings in number into in different kilomotion. Okay, it did that. Because let's actually observe what it did exactly here. It's gonna be easier. All right, so it actually bookmarked 3 listings as you can see, and this seems like so far related listings, which seems like a successful run for that sense. And we have this Simpsons T-shirt here, right here, that I just posted with some descriptions, right, for 10 euros. So that was about the demo, and let's see actually how much money did it use. It didn't use even like 1 cent. It's like 0.8 cents. So all right, so that was it. The most interesting part of building this app was context engineering. I first let the agent discover the platform almost like a scout. go discover this section or try to complete this workflow, it would click around, fail, inspect pages, try commands, and figure out what actually works. After this exploration phase, I saved the most important explorations under documentations, and those documentations essentially became useful for skills, roles, and tools. I have actually here a nice context building journey display that I wanted to show. So essentially the agent first starts in the dark, explores with general tools he has. In our case, it was agent browser tools and the general bash tools he has. And the ROM has hidden quirks, right? And the explosion become context, skills, roles, agents.md file, and so on. And the future runs now have a lot of context. They don't start from zero. And repeated paths became tools. So that's the project. What I want to show was the final agent, but also the way that I approached it. Let the agent explore, capture the environment quirks, turn the repeatable action into tools, and make the workflow reliable step by step. If you have any questions or want to go deeper into the project, I will be very happy to discuss the details with you in a meeting or interview. I live in Oldenburg, so meeting in Bremen is very easy for me. Online also works, of course. Thank you very much. I'll be very happy to hear from you.